is gonna be totally crazy. You're gonna have to figure it out. Younger two babies are in there because 5 at once is just ridiculous, but I don't really want to do 1 at a time because that's kind of gonna take forever. Arcady! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! It's got to be Aesop. Come on! Oh, damn. That baby is really out there. Come on! Ah, so close. So close. Here's Linnaeus. Linnaeus is doing, he's showing you. Come on. Come on. Look. 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 Come on, look what Linnaeus is doing. He's eating. Hope we have everybody. Here comes another baby. Come on. Like, Aesop is actually trying to make sure that all the babies are here, which is why he's not coming down until he knows that they're all here. Which is like crazy cool and awesome. That's baby number 2 over there. Baby number 2. Hey! So we got Aesop, baby number 2. Linnaeus is on my head. Arcady is definitely sticking around. There's at least one more baby out there because I heard him or her. So we just need to make sure that we have all 3 babies at this point. Aesop is watching to make sure that there aren't any threats, and he's waiting to make sure the rest of the babies show up before he worries about eating or anything like that. It's amazing. Linnaeus did the same thing when he was teaching Aesop and levity, and now Aesop is doing it with his babies because we have the 2 babies who didn't free fly today, 4 and 5, then we have baby number 2 who just came down, and hopefully the other birds, Arcady, and the other babies can see that they're eating. Here's a baby. Come on, little baby. Oh, yes. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Almost. Come on. Arcady flew down to me. I didn't get it on camera, but she was just in the regular tree that the birds always use. So I didn't get that on camera, but Aesop came back over. Ooh. Arcady, now trying to get out of the door. Aesop. Come on. I'm gonna show this little baby. The Aesop flew to me. Come on! Come on! Unfortunately, after this one, we have one more. That bird is being very annoying. Come on! Come on, little baby! Come on! And then we have one more baby. I don't know where they are. Come on! Come on! What are you doing? Right here. Ooh, 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 come on. Come on. Come on, baby number, what is that? Is it 3 or 1 or 3? That's baby 1 or 3. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on down. Come here, little baby. Come on. Get a baby. Come on. Oh, oh, okay, 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 okay. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Your papa was looking out for you. Number 1. Oh, thank God. I was starting to get a little worried. Even though I had a feeling that they were all here. Good job. Good job. Come on. I don't see where the bird is. I just hear. Come on. Come on. Sip's gonna have to help again. Come on. Linnaeus decided he needed to help. Linnaeus and Aesop are in the same tree right there. Good boy, buddy. Where's that little baby, huh? Where's that little baby? Little baby's got to come home. Time for dinner. Where's the little baby? Oh, I hear the baby. Come on. Come on. That's Aesop, but I hear the baby. Oh, there's the baby. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. Come on. Come on. Aesop. Zam, they're going nuts out there. Linnaeus. There was a Cooper's hawk. Linnaeus. Linnaeus. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's go home. Come on, let's go home. Come on. Come on. That's the wrong way. Come on. Come on, little baby. Stop. Right, I did not get video of the last baby, which was baby number 1 coming down, because it's like literally coming down to the wire. But yeah, he or she flew down, and now Linnaeus is the last one. Not because he did anything wrong, but because he saw that there was a hawk and he was being careful and looking out for the other birds. Come on, buddy. Look, everybody else is good now. We got everybody else. Come on, you're the last one. Come on, Linnaeus, we're gonna go home. Come on, buddy. Linnaeus, come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.